All right, everyone, welcome to the channel Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first-time viewers and investors, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. So we're gonna jump in here to our ticker symbol here, Bngo. We're gonna look at the chart here, and Bionano Genomics Inc. is what it's called, right? And this had a run. So let's see here what's going on. I mean, the bullish run has continued, and so far it looks like it's continuing and hitting newer highs. So let's draw out here our resistance line and our support. For those of you coming across this channel for the first time, we do chart analysis daily. So if you're into that, or it's your first time watching a video like this and you find it helpful and informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends and community, and everyone watching, don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video. So let's look at our support and our resistance. It's going to be a little bit broad here due to the fact that that's the volatility that this stock has had. And we have some numbers here to watch. So the 50-day moving average is $1.01. I mean, this stock has to the hundreds and thousands place. This is a big deal here. So 101, but if you want to be exact, 101.18 is the 50-day moving average. I'd round it down to 101, $1.01. That's the 50-day moving average. We're currently at 17.50, right? Or 350, 17,350, $1.73 to the 50th, right? Hundreds and thousands place. But that right there is where we're at right now. The stock just broke through a higher resistance. If we want to move that up, the volatility is still going. You know, it's pretty impressive, honestly, to see this run from 4 o'clock till now, another 40 cents. And in the last couple of days, I mean, it's been running over time, 30 to 20 cents per day. And today has had the biggest run. I mean, it's ran almost $1 so far. We're right now up almost 80 cents from where it started. So very important, 101, 50-day moving average. Our support, this support is 127.79. We want to watch this carefully. If this gets broken through, the next support level would be the 50-day moving average, due to the fact that in between that, there's no other support levels indicating a bearish candlestick. So I would use personally as a midway point 118.81. If you want to round it up to 119, you're more than welcome to. But that's something I would use. I'm not here to suggest that you should use it, but it's always good to kind of dissect the chart into different sections to see where the bulls start to pick back up or where the bears are tearing this down, because this is all still in bullish territory, and that is a good midway point to kind of have an indicator of where this is going. And if it crosses it, it could be on its way down to newer lows. Now, just crossing 127.79 is important to watch as well. But you have that 118 point as a point of reference. So very important to watch. Even though this is still bullish territory, we need to see how quickly the bears are appearing and tearing it down, or are the bulls trying to reappear. As long as we stay above 101, right, $1.01, this is in bullish territory. Now our resistance that just got touched is 180. Very important number to break through. 180 is the highest point this stock has reached, and very important point for the bulls to break through. So I want to emphasize, the bulls need to break through 180. They need to turn that into a support and break away from it. I want every single investor to be aware of this. They need to continue the momentum, pull further away from the 50-day moving average, and work their way up to newer highs. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. At the end of this video, there's going to be a pop-up video, and in that video, I will be discussing about the S&P 500 index and how it's been rising several points on scheduled dates. As you see here on the graph, these circles are the dates that the pumps have happened, and I use them as examples to show you guys how much the stocks have risen and the S&P 500 index rose on those dates. And the reason why it's rising is due to the fact that the Federal Reserve is pumping the markets. On these dates, the charts and the dates speak for themselves, as we can see it here, and I break it down into more detail in the video. But just to summarize it, on these dates, the S&P 500 rises, and there's individual ticker symbols rising up with it, anywhere from 30 cents to $3 per share. I know it may not seem like a lot, but per share that does add up, and these individual ticker symbols are giving you back profits. These are profits. And like I always say, profits are profits. Whether it's $1 put into the market and you get back $2, you've put in an initial investment and you got back more than what you started with. That's what it's all about. And also in the video, I go into further detail showing you guys these dates and showing you how much it rose. Like for example, this was one of the last pump dates, and the lowest point that it reached was down here at 35.11, and the highest point reached was 35.57. That's like a 40-point jump. And here we're seeing the same thing. It went down to 35.88 and it rose up to about, I'd say, let's see, this is all still in the same day. It rose up to about a total amount of 36.23. When you do the math, that's almost a 40 to 50 point jump, and there's individual ticker symbols rising up with this. Now, I'm not there to guarantee you profits. I'm not there to tell you to buy, sell, or hold anything in particular. I'm just here to inform every single investor on the great news, on the opportunity to maximize profits and minimize losses. You have to do your due diligence and research, but these charts and the dates speak for themselves. I mean, this was probably one of the largest jumps that I've seen in the last couple of pumps, and it was down here at 33.02 and it rose up to about 33.88. That was an 80-point jump. There was probably ticker symbols rising up more than $3 per share on those dates. And even on these dates, there's individual ticker symbols rising more than $3 per share. Check it out, see for yourselves, and my best advice is look for ticker symbols that may be resembling the behavior of the S&P 500 index, and you'll be able to go ahead and give it a shot. Check it out. Again, I'm not there to tell you to buy, sell, or hold anything in particular. I'm not there to guarantee you profits. I'm just here to go ahead and share the information along with every single viewer and investor. The video should be popping up soon. If you haven't seen it already, pop up. There is the link down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.